So we're given the function w of x equals the square root of x cubed minus 3, and we want to give three functions such that w can be broken into a composition of three functions. So we're decomposing the function. None of them can be equal to x because that's just simplifies the case too much. We'll do one, and we may do a second one. So h of x is the insidemost function. Well, I think the easiest for the insidemost function would be to let it be x cubed, because now we can think of a variable being in there for this. And so what happens when we put in x cubed? It gets a 3 subtracted off. So there's the 3. So putting this in here would give us x cubed minus 3. And then what's the last thing to happen to it? Is the square root of x. So if we put this in here, we get x cubed minus 3. Put this in here, we get square root of x cubed minus 3. Let's come up with a little bit different scenario. Again, we're not going to use x. We can't just let this be x and then let this be x cubed minus 3. So again, the easiest, we could do some fractional powers and mess around with the exponents if we wanted to, but let's not do that here. One thing we could do that would be kind of interesting, we could do x cubed plus 1 for h of x. Well, how do we compensate for that? That means when we put that in for g of x, instead, to get a minus 3, because there's the extra 1, we'd have to put in x minus 4, and then f of x would still be our square root of x. There's an infinite amount of combinations. I could keep going through them, but I just want you to see that you're not confined to this depending on how you decide to see this problem.